We are jumping into 2026 Leaf Metal St. Patrick's Day box break number 7. It's a pretty healthy group of names right there on the front. Letters are on your right. Good luck, everybody. Believe this is the last box we have. The first box that I've been able to rip. Only 3 cards, huh? How about a little Nikola Jokic in spot ice? 3 of 3 on the green shimmer. And Dennis Rodman, the black shimmer. Corey taking it down. A 1 of 1 on the black shimmer. And last but not least, a little Paolo Banchero. 7 of 10 on the true green. He's got the P spot. Craig taking it down. That was a good box right there. Good box. Thank you guys for jumping in. If we have any more, I'll see you on the next. If not, appreciate everyone for getting in. Oh my goodness. Corey. I'm sorry, brother. I was looking at the wrong letter. I was looking at Dennis Rodman, not Dennis Rodman. Appreciate you guys jumping in.